Kawayan Brigade ng San Miguel. Ito naman, may pangkat kawayan naman. Ito mga tagat. Barangay Ginebra Kings! Back-trained again by the big flash coming from Gregzilla.
Wow, that's actually the second.
Outside the court net.
Well, actually, it was a good play by Ian Sangalang. Pero mas magandang play naman itong ginawa ni Gregzilla off that dunk.
At pag ganyan ka mga slam dunk, talagang mapapasigaw ang bayan. Itusay niya ng Ginebra.
Points back in game number 6, but played most of the game in foul trouble as Gregzilla throws it down. First, ito po ang ating Smart Slow-Mo replay brought to you by Smart. Live more. Tenorio step back.
We'll give this high pick. LA. Nakita, dalangin. Greg Slaughter for the slam. The big para Barangay. The 6.8 for Barangay Ginebra. Look at this play. Punctuated by the big slam by Gregzilla. Greg Slaughter. Anim na kanilang laban. Tatama naman ang San Mig Coffee. Sama. Yan sa DCSR 918.
JJ has 9 to work with. JJ in the lane in trouble. Nice location galing dito kay Helper Brand, and Aguilar comes up with the exclamation point. Got the Ginebra faithful off their seats. LBC move of the game natin yan, brought to you by LBC. We like to move it. And Coach Tim Cohn will sue for time. 2:44 remaining in the third.
Barangay Ginebra, one and done. Itong Alaska Aces, Tenorio. Inilapit ang bola. Going to Slaughter. The jab plus the foul.
But look at what he did in that next play. He feeds off to his teammate and goes for that slam. Ito si Greg Slaughter. What great teamwork that
Bench starting to come alive. 6 points here at the start of this quarter. Kanina, ang ganda ng simula ng Barangay Ginebra. They actually outscored the bench of San Mig Coffee 12-1.
Benjamin Aguilar has finally made his presence felt. Barangay Ginebra getting a huge stop as we take another look at that last jab and jam. Ginebra is on the attack once again.
Talaga ng Barangay Ginebra yung kanilang nilalaro. They actually shot the ball very well in the first half. But the good thing about it is, even if they're starting to miss, and eto na naman! Look at the way to si Evan Monfort tap that basketball. Papunta naman kay Chris Ellis.
Ganyan na si Calvin Abueva. Couldn't hear it over the cheers of the crowd. Chris Ellis, yun na nga, taking it home part.
Ginebra keeps possession. Tenorio cycles it around. Slaughter. Oh, with a throwdown.
Those are the things that Barangay Ginebra needs. They need the spark. Like,
We take another look at that Gregzilla jam. Rivas, sabi, ikaw na. Baka mga 3-point play pa.
masasama, mapoposterize pa. Hindi na masasama.
Mark Fingers on the floor for the Mixers.
Helper driver to steal. Here comes Chris Ellis all the way.
That's the dunk. That's the dunk that Ginebra fans have. He's really going strong, going hard to the basket. Ito yung steal. Look at that back pass. And the slam dunk. Woo! Kasi ano, kanina pa gusto mag-stop.
Kanina pala ay medyo buksa yung kanyang naitatalag. Safe play, leading it now. Mark Aguiwa, extra back! And a reverse slam coming from Chris Ellis.
Well, he said before the start of the...
Tamang 16 dito, 69-53. At ito po yung mga dahilan. Ito yung slam dunk ni Chris Ellis earlier in the third.